shit. I put a brick on my ears. Too many hoes like a deer. Too many hoes like I'm gay. I get money for the place. Yo, she just tryna stay. Bitch, I'm finna fight. Off of this brick. I'ma just fucking this dyke. These niggas, they motherfucking bite. I told her I love her like psych. These bitches, I got like 100. I walk in the spot.
Welcome. Hey, what now? Hey man, so what Jayson the KODYT himself. Malum 2K. I'm a dad now, you know what I'm saying? That's how I haven't been uploading a lot, but I'm a dad now. But anyway, let's just get straight into the video.
Y'all trust each other, ne?
Yeah.
You say yeah? You say 10? You say 10? Okay, so to prove that y'all trust each other, I'm gonna need y'all to like swap phones for 60 seconds if possible. Change my phone for 60 seconds. Yeah.
Man, I have a squinted look.
Oh, prove loyalty for it. Oh.
Uyazi nawe mama ukuthi ifoni yakhe angithinti naye yami angithinti. Isidingo
From the get-go. From the get-go you can see with Diamond, you can see that this guy has a lot of girls. From the get-go. But let's not talk too much. Let's just watch.
Yabo udade akanankinga wena why unenkinga nsizwe
le eyami
yeah phela into eyakhe yakho I don't know how to say it in Zulu
man
why uzokwazi
ukuthi wena uthinti yami ifoni ngoba savumelana kahle ukuthi ifoni noma uyithini
asike isidingo sosiwe isimple
umoya
Relax, Kokomo at the delicacy. Like man was fighting, you know. My name is fighting, but I understand. Like, if FARGO and Dary came up to me, dog, and I was booking, and I'm booking and I'm my girl, yo, and now they hear the listening, let's exchange phones, and I know I got 10,000 other shorties on my phone. I'm a fight, cause hey, bruh, we booking. How we gonna sleep? We booked. Like now you gonna come and call for me I'll fight. Me I'll come like this yawa. Me I'll summer count fu on you check. Me I'll run if these always come for me.
Actually Kokomo. Yeah. Exchange my phone ngani niyachembana nini?
Man wandile manje uvuma lo mjito usasikhathi
khona ngifihlela wami
manje uvuma lo mjito ukuthi manje uma nikhuluma lento uyayivuma
khona ngifihlela kona yini
awungifihlela
if
kona
ungafihli lutho phela let's
phone
no let's phone
sikwenzela nokwandile
let's phone
uyayithinta yami ifoni
uyachit
uyazi ukuthi nawe ngithinta
Why ungafuna athithi phone insizwa ufihlani lapha
keep phone
I see wrong sis ngizama ukusiza I'm helping people out you know what I'm saying I'm helping people bro I don't know what
kade uthemba 10% osangithemba
yes improvele phela improvele keep phone
mina ukhipha ifoni insizwa sibone ukuthi
khona ongakutholi la uzokwenza njani
no I think it's something yenzayo wena isawuchit
ungabe khona akutholako
kodwa mahlukane lo muntu uzoxabana naye
Whoa. Sure. I Zulu men father don't play with Zulu men. Zulu men are shatina. Zulu men will hit you, bruh. For to so Tibonisa no bond. Zulu men, FARGO.
I'm saying mina nsiza what I do
Just go to the office.
what I do
Just go.
enjani manje
I don't even know if I should take this phone dog. Look how big this nigga is dog. But I'll take my chances. That's your phone sis huh
You can't like
how do you feel
friend.
about this? He doesn't wanna give up the phone.
I feel like khona into angifihlela yona why azovele avulaka nje out of the blue
I don't know, I was gonna start with your phone, but then since you know something is ring, I might have to start with this nigga's phone. Yeah, cover the.
It's not make sure. It's sticker ring now. Now it's sticker ring now.
The wallpaper, nigga got like a young store over there, you know, and says, hey.
password
Password says, oh.
I'm afraid.
Password.
noma sewayishintsha sizeyifaka phela
Oh, do you know it?
yeah
Okay. Shut up.
I mean, I like dog. Like to future girlfriends, I mean you're not gonna know my password. Whether I'm cheating or I'm not cheating, you're not gonna know my password to me. Cause now what if you told me like Gibby goes for me? Like you're saying, always come with that happy that why say, always come with that gosh at your phone. Now when you send these calls for me and then you know my password. Now they have easy access to my phone. I don't trust women. Me, you won't know my password. Me, I'll give you today, tomorrow I change it.
Say shintshile.
Nazo-ke insizwa lena. Insizwa-ke wena.
Uvulele ifoni senzwa kwenzakalani ngathi check-chela alifomini. Kokumoya insizwa. Kokumoya. Sicala ufuna Facebook or WhatsApp or WhatsApp.
Awungeni WhatsApp wami.
Oh, insizwa imancane phela. Ulwelani. Iskipha se-revival.
Ulwelani. Ukuzokwazi ukuthini ulwelani. Ile nto kahlela yenza. Yabo ngoba enza nje.
Ngihambe ubone ukuthi ugoduka ngani.
Hayi bengizokusiza nami kodwa ngibona ukuthi ungakanani compared to me. It's not gonna but okay. No, relax and say relax. Man, shake your phone lot manje. Okay. We're gonna type nudes and then see if we can get something, yeah? Okay. Nudes is nothing. One last one, horny. Oh, specific.
Gotcha.
Like, okay, now let me like, it's 2023, gents. There's no more time for asking for nudes here now. No more time for be Tuesdays, TikTok Thursday. No. We grown men now. We are grown. No more time for homework, Apa. I'm told no more homework. If you want bums, you go to her and say, come to my house. She comes to your say, skate bums. If she doesn't skate bums, tell her, bye. Go home. Go do homework. Bye. Now we tell people straight, we want bums. If not gonna skate me bums, if it's to kahlela, like, maybe I hit you like, girl, come over, you come over, we chilling here now, we chilling here. I'm my baby. Skate bums. What do you wear now? I don't want to do that. Me, now, I'm telling you live. So, Oma. Hey, Stuhan. Boom. We want bums, I want bums. Yandiv. If I want bums, I want to get bums.
Is your second name specific?
Ubani usiphe? Ingane ke nisendelana I love you. Udadewenu usungenza islima wena, usungenza islima kusukela kudala vele wena ungicheck.
Oh.
Cho. Ay. Abana, this is the one to yo.
Wena nje.
Why? Ubani usiphe?
Relax. Kumele uqhaze ukuthi ubani usiphe cha.
Okay, sesiqedwe ukuseshana ifoni kuqala sibheke yakho.
I'm gonna lie to you.
First of all, we found
Aye, Jean von Jean. You know that there's no man that. What does SONWABILE say? How will Zeus feel seeing you begging a girl, bruv? They find you cheating? I bet sure I'm very tolile angithi. Tolile into ayifuna. Ngoku mina ngiyahamba. Ngakuchomi yakho ngoku. Uyasala? Mina ngilandela. No, come on. Ngiqala. No, nigga, chill. Pimp for once, my nigga. Pimp. Be a pimp. If they find you cheating, fine. It is what it is, gang. Get a new shot. Get a new bro. Come on, I can't teach you everything now. Oh.
Let's keep us a revival.
I
don't feel safe.
God, if you let it
relax, bro. What's wrong with you?
FARGO. FARGO. But FARGO's like the more like the cheese boy nyana boy in the group, nah. I'll be fair, nothing on cheese boys now, but he's more like the cheese boy nyana boy in the group, dog. Like, he's a nigga that like all the niggas would protect, you know what I'm saying? Like, I feel I've been in this position, not with like this, but like I'm that, like, we're the same gang. We're the type of niggas that will be protected when it's problems, you know? So when a nigga comes to fight me, because I told he's matey, my nigga's gonna step in and gonna fight him. Me, I won't fight. I feel you, FARGO. I feel you.
Hi,
my sister, how are you? My name is Joseph Dary. I like you. If you don't mind, can I have your numbers?
Once, because I feel like he can treat you better than this nigga. This nigga's too violent, bro. I'm a Zulu man. Send the qinile. Fakisandla namaqisha bangidonsa ama-dress lana awa. Just ukuthi umkhomba ukuthi no, you know? He's replaceable.
I'm done with you.
What are you doing?
Otherwise we'll have to spaghetti, sister. I'm a send a qinile.
A full grown ass nigga crying in front of full grown ass men. Umzulu akakhali mfethu, umzulu uyaqina mfethu, umzulu mfethu memshaya mfethu. Queen's bagela mfethu. Mfethu, yabakushada. Yabona mfethu, into ayikhali mfethu. Into yenza mfethu akuyona mfethu. Mfethu, into yenza mfethu mfethu. Mfethu. Joseph is really just doing everything right. Like Joseph, bro. You see all these checks on his body, dog. Make him go the right way only, everything he does is just right. Like, I've never seen Joseph taking an L ever since he put these checks on him, bro. Since nigga got checks top to bottom, the checks running in his veins now, bro. Everything he does is just right. It's right. Like, now he's holding his niggas midi like that. Yo.
It says. It says. Manje kumele ufase uchaktela ubhekele.
Lona nje udeserve even ukuthi engangibona ngenza sex engibambe right-handed.
No.
Can we have sex after here?
Yes, of course.
Cut the cameras. Joseph will chow your lady, blah. Yo.
No, it says I still wanna kiss you. You mind?
Joe, Bafana, Z. Joseph is chowing our ladies, this bro. What this is Mkaba. He's chowing our ladies, bruh. This bro's chowing our ladies. Look at him. This bro's chowing our ladies, bruh. Just a problem. I can't handle these niggas. Oh, by the way, like, comment, and subscribe. If you want more reaction videos. Bye.